Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I'd like to unpack the first mystery box from Dronebit. Now those of you that have been around on YouTube and is the hobby have probably seen lots of other people, particularly across the pond in America, talking about this kind of idea of a subscription box that you get from a supplier, and it comes and there's lots of the consumables and maybe one big ticket item in it as well. Now this one is obviously from Dronebit because it's got that written on the outside, and it's a new subscription service that's just started. And when I saw it being advertised on Facebook and Instagram, I thought, you know what, I've got to get in on that. So this is the very first box. So as I've just received it, I thought I'll unpack it here on the channel, and for those of you who are thinking about it, you can see what's inside and what you can expect to get for your cash. So I'll put my sticker over my address, but let's just cut into this and find out what's in this first subscription box. The box itself isn't particularly fancy, but you know what, I don't care about that. I'd rather Dronebit was spending the money on the pieces inside rather than making the outside look pretty. So the first couple of things that are coming out, it's quite full, are two Cyclone Props. Fantastic T 5-inch 4-inch pitch. I use Cyclones loads, and those of you who watch my videos will see them on just about everything, so they will definitely go in the spares bin. There is a little soldered pigtail. We have a battery strap. These are actually really good battery straps. You can add them to your order when you get stuff from Dronebit anyway. And they have this weird plasticky inside that holds onto the battery that stops them slipping off. If you're ever ordering anything from Dronebit, get one of those added to your order. Pack of cable ties. I'm building a TBS wing at the moment, and that's going to be excellent because I need some for that. M3 standoffs, nylon standoffs, always handy for building things. A Menace RC sticker, big fan of Menace, so that's another one to go on the battery box. A discount code for the next one. Now you've all seen it, of course, you'll be able to use the same code. Next thing in the box is the Menace RC patch. Brilliant. I use these a lot. Anytime you see an FPV video of mine within the past 2 years, you'll probably find Menace RC antennas on it. So that's great. That's definitely going to get used as well. And oh, cool, a TBS Unify Pro race FPV transmitter. Now I've already had a couple of these, and they are nice FPV transmitters. So this is obviously the big ticket item. That's awesome. I know exactly where that's going to be going. And then we have another pigtail with a much heavier duty cable on here. What is that cable? Is that 12? So bring it up to the camera. Yeah, this one's a 12. So that's going to be handy building a quad. I'm easy to have to solder that up. Anything else in here? Oh, yep, a couple of anodized pieces. Some nice blue anodized standoffs. I wonder how long they are. They are 35mm. That's a nice size. They'll get used. Last thing in the box is some anodized prop nuts in the same colour. Dronebit, if you're watching, I love orange anodized stuff. Please get some of that in. I really like that. So we've got the TBS video transmitter. We've got the Menace patch, some anodized bits and pieces, a couple of pigtails. We've also got a sticker, discount code. We've got some cable ties and some standoffs and a couple of sets of props. So the TBS video transmitter is obviously the big ticket item here, and I'm pleased that something like that is in the box. I kind of feel like I've got my money's worth out of this. I'm now going to have to put all of this in the spares bin, but actually some of this I'm going to use right away with a couple of builds that I'm currently doing. So hopefully that's interesting for those of you that are starting to see these things appear. I think this idea of monthly subscription boxes will start to catch on, and other resellers will start to jump in on it as well. And I think it's important to support your local resellers in your territory who are offering these kind of services, not only to get the consumables that we use month in, month out when we're flying, but also to make sure that those people stay around so that when we need product, we can get it without waiting 2, 3, or even 4 weeks from China. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.